Hinged French doors have long been admired for their timeless elegance, functional design, and ability to enhance both traditional and modern homes. In Washington, D.C., where architectural styles range from historic row houses and classic colonials to contemporary residences, hinged French doors continue to be a popular choice among homeowners looking to improve beauty, functionality, and property value. Whether used as patio doors, garden entrances, or interior transitions between living spaces, hinged French doors offer a unique combination of sophistication and practicality. Their ability to increase natural light, create a sense of openness, and complement a variety of architectural designs makes them a sought-after upgrade for many Washington, D.C. homes. Timeless architectural appeal. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose hinged French doors is their classic appearance. Characterized by large glass panels and symmetrical door designs, French doors add elegance and visual interest to virtually any home. Washington, D.C. is known for its rich architectural heritage, and French doors naturally complement many of the area's traditional home styles. They blend seamlessly with historic properties while also providing a refined look that works well in modern and transitional homes. Their enduring appeal helps homeowners create a sophisticated appearance that remains stylish for years to come. Maximizing natural light can dramatically transform the feel of a home. Bright spaces often appear larger, more welcoming, and more comfortable. Hinged French doors feature expansive glass panels that allow abundant sunlight to enter interior spaces. This increased daylight can brighten living rooms, dining areas, home offices, and family rooms while reducing reliance on artificial lighting during daytime hours. Many homeowners appreciate how French doors create a brighter atmosphere that enhances both comfort and aesthetics. Creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. One of the most attractive features of hinged French doors is their ability to connect indoor and outdoor living spaces. Whether opening to a patio, deck, garden, or backyard, French doors provide easy access while maintaining an elegant appearance. When opened, they create a wide passageway that encourages movement between indoor and outdoor areas. This feature is especially appealing for homeowners who enjoy entertaining guests, hosting gatherings, or simply spending time outdoors while maintaining a connection to the home's interior. Enhancing home value. Homeowners often seek upgrades that provide both immediate enjoyment and long-term value. Hinged French doors are frequently viewed as a desirable architectural feature that can increase a home's overall appeal. Potential buyers often appreciate the combination of beauty, functionality, and natural light that French doors provide. Their elegant appearance can help create a memorable first impression and contribute to a home's marketability. For homeowners considering future resale opportunities, French doors can be a worthwhile investment. Improving energy efficiency. Modern hinged French doors offer far more than visual appeal. Today's door systems are engineered with advanced energy-efficient technologies that help improve comfort and reduce energy loss. Many modern French doors include double or triple pane glass, low-E glass coatings, insulated frames, high-performance weather-stripping, energy-efficient glass packages. These features help minimize heat transfer and improve insulation throughout the year. For Washington, D.C. homeowners, energy-efficient French doors can help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures during both warm summers and cooler winters. Expanding views of the outdoors. Large glass panels provide clear, unobstructed views of outdoor spaces. Whether overlooking a landscaped backyard, garden, or urban outdoor area, hinged French doors allow homeowners to enjoy more of their surroundings from inside the home. These expanded sightlines create a stronger connection with nature and help interior spaces feel more open and inviting. Many homeowners appreciate the way French doors bring outdoor beauty into their everyday living environment. Flexible design options. Modern hinged French doors are available in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes. Homeowners can customize their doors to complement existing architectural features and personal preferences. Popular customization options include Decorative glass designs, grille patterns, frame materials, hardware finishes, paint and stain colors. This flexibility allows homeowners to create a truly personalized look that enhances the character of their property. Improving functionality and accessibility. Unlike some door styles, hinged French doors can provide a wide opening when both panels are opened. This expanded access is beneficial for moving furniture, entertaining guests, or simply creating a more open living environment. The practical functionality of French doors makes them a valuable addition to both interior and exterior spaces. A smart choice for Washington, D.C. homeowners. Hinged French doors remain a popular choice for Washington, D.C. homes because they offer an exceptional blend of beauty, functionality, and performance. Their timeless design, ability to maximize natural light, and seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces make them a versatile upgrade for a wide range of properties. For homeowners seeking to enhance comfort, improve aesthetics, and add long-term value, hinged French doors provide an elegant solution that delivers benefits well beyond their visual appeal. With modern energy-efficient features and extensive customization options, they continue to be one of the most desirable door styles available today.